rates, the increase, how it impacts businesses, consumers, governments, and then the investment of that, the supply chain, shortages, components, transport costs, the order backlogs at the moment, how that will develop going into 2023, and whether it will continue to be supplemented with new orders going on towards the end of the year and into 2024, and rising energy costs, the impact that has on end users, on businesses, on manufacturing, and essentially on the cost of goods and the demand then for those goods, could create lots of issues going into 2023, but also provide opportunities for companies if they know how to navigate these issues and serve their customer base effectively.